pizza party. Pizza party. Pizza, pizza party.
Hi kids! Good day! I am Chef Flor, and today I will be showing you how to make an easy and yummy pizza. Oh, it's my favorite food! Kids, are you ready? Oops! I forgot something. I need to wash my hands first. Kids at home, always remember, you have to wash your hands all the time. Come on, let's wash your hands.
Wash your hands, everybody come along and wash your hands. Wash your hands, everybody come along and wash your hands. Wash your hands, everybody come along and wash your hands. Wash your hands, everybody come along and wash your hands. Wash your hands, everybody come along.
All right, my hands are already clean and I'm ready to make our pizza. But before that, I'll introduce to you the things we are going to use for our pizza. I have here a rolling pin. Next, I have here a spoon. Another one, I have a spatula. And of course, we need our oven. But don't worry, if you don't have oven at home, you can use a pan and a burner. And on this side, these are our ingredients for our pizza. I have a slice of bread, a sauce, and a cheese. So kids, do you know what's the color of the cheese? Yes, you're right. It's yellow. First step, you get a piece of bread, place it on the table. But make sure your table is clean. Get the rolling pin and flatten your bread. But if you don't have a rolling pin, you may use a spoon to flatten your bread. All right, so this is the bread we want to be.
First you take the dough and you spin it, you spin it, you spin it, spin it, spin it. Pizza, pizza party. Pizza, pizza party.
Next, you add the sauce on your bread. And you spread it. Oh, this is good. I'm really excited to eat the pizza. All right.
Then you take the sauce and you spread it, you spread it, you spread it, spread it, spread it. Pizza, pizza party. Pizza, pizza party.
And you get your cheese, sprinkle it on top of your bread, like this. All right, kids, are you enjoying your activity? Wow, this is so good and so yummy. All right. If you want more cheese, you can put more and more. All right. You can also add ham, bacon, mushroom, pineapple, or whatever you want your pizza to be. Okay, so it's ready now. All right, so some of your kids don't like to eat bread, so I prepare something. You can use taco shell instead of bread. So this taco is made of corn. So it's a corn taco. So the process is still the same. You put some sauce.
Spread it inside. It's good. If you want more sauce, then you can put many as you like. Alright. The sauce is so good. Okay, and then
You can add as well some cheese.
spread it. Spread. Oh, I like this cheese. Okay. And of course,
Our meat. We use here chicken.
or if you don't like chicken, you can use pork. Or you can use beef. Alright. So look at that. Look at taco. It's so delicious.
So there you go. Here's our taco.
Then you take the cheese and you shred it, you shred it, you shred it, shred it, shred it. Pizza, pizza party. Pizza, pizza party.
And lastly, we will put our pizza into the oven. Again, be careful because the oven is still hot. Always ask help from your mom and dad because it's really burning. It's hot. So there you go. Let's put it here. Be careful. All right. Okay. And let's put it 10 minutes or let's cook it 10 minutes. All right, kids. Don't worry if you don't have oven at home. You can still use a pan and a burner. And of course, our lid to cover our pizza. So always remember, be careful because it's hot. All right? So just get your pizza carefully and put it on top. There you have it. And cover this. Let's leave this for about 5 minutes. So it's cooked already. It smells good in here. Oops, do you hear that sound? I think our pizza and our taco is now ready. So let's get it. But kids, always remember, be careful because it's hot. Wow, the cheese. Oh, look at this. Oh, perfect. Oh, here's our pizza. pizza, and of course, our own taco. Wow. So, this is it. Our pizza and our taco. Enjoy eating!
Then you take the pizza and you bake it, you bake it, you bake it, bake it, bake it. Pizza, pizza party. Pizza, pizza party.
All right, kids, that's all for today. For our pizza, see you next time!